This video is a treat for all you Xiaomi users. The one thing we know is for the price we pay, Xiaomi phones definitely deliver. But what takes us away from the experience is these annoying ads and bloatware apps which come pre-installed with the phone. Once we take these off, we basically have a stock Android phone at a budget. That's exactly what we'll be doing in today's video. We'll be completely removing all ads and bloatware from any Xiaomi phone, basically giving it a more clean and usable experience. Before we start the process, you're going to need a few things: a phone, a USB cable, and access to a PC. It's running on Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. Then head to the link in the description down below and download the required files. So obviously this process requires a computer. If you don't have one and you still want to do all this, comment down below. Depending on the requests I get, I'll make a completely different tutorial on how you can do all this just with your phone. With all that said, let's get right to it. So first up, enable developer options. This is how you do it. Head to settings, then about phone, and tap on MIUI version 7 times. Here you can see developer options is now visible in additional settings. The only thing you have to do here is enable USB debugging. This is required to delete those apps you cannot install just with your phone and you need help of a PC. Once you download the files mentioned in the description and put them in a separate folder, you want to open up JDK Windows, hit run, hit next. You won't be getting this window because I've already installed it. You'll be seeing something like this. You want to just hit next and hit install. It's pretty basic. Think of this as the supporting files needed for this application to run and uninstall apps via USB debugging. So once this is installed, open up Fast Boot Tools. In case you haven't turned on USB debugging, you will get this error. The moment you turn it on, it automatically recognizes the device and gives you this prompt saying device connected in ADB mode. Here is a list of apps which are safe to uninstall. Apps which are not mentioned here, please do not uninstall them. It will make your phone unusable. Alright, so once you've selected the apps you want to uninstall, you just have to click this button right here. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to proceed? Hit yes. And there you go. It starts uninstalling all those apps. Alright, it says done here. You can go ahead and close the app. If you ever want to reinstall the apps for some reason, you can select the apps from the reinstaller tab and hit reinstall. Every time your phone gets an update, these apps will automatically be installed, and then you just have to follow the same procedure all over again from the uninstaller tab. If you don't get an update, you will never get those apps on your phone until and unless you use the reinstaller application. Alright. To start with the ad removal process, go to settings, click on passwords and security, then scroll down to privacy, scroll all the way down, turn off user experience program, send diagnostic data. You don't want any data transactions between you and Xiaomi, and then click on ad services and make sure you turn off personalized ads. Next, go to downloads. Click on the 3 dots on the top right corner, settings, and then just disable show recommended content. Next, let's go to the file manager. Same process here as well. Click on the hamburger menu, go to settings, and then go to about. Here, just make sure you turn off recommendation. Okay, removing ads and themes is the same process again. Go to the settings in the themes application, and then make sure you turn off show ads and personalized recommendations. So that's it for today's video, guys. If this video helped you out, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding today's topic, hit me up in the comments below and I'll help you out. See ya, take care.